So this pattern calls for a multiple of 7 plus 2. So that means you chain up 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 until that your desired width, and then you chain up 2. Now I do want to state that the pattern states 7 plus 2, but for some reason it didn't work out. I had chains left over, or I had where I was missing chains, so I'm not sure why. So if you have chains left over, it's really easy because you can just undo them and then just undo them until you up to here, and that's fine. So it's better to have chains left over than to need chains. Another thing I want to point out about this pattern is that it does require a little bit more yarn than normal. So if you, let's say, crochet a blanket with normally 4 skeins or 5 skeins of yarn, I would suggest adding 2 or 3 more, just to be on the safe side, because again, this does require quite a lot of yarn. Okay. So it says to single crochet in second chain from the hook. Sorry, I can't see, so I'm gonna have to do a close up real quick. Chain 1 and then skip 1 chain and do a single crochet in the next. See, and then you're going to chain 4, skip 2 chains and single crochet in the third. Then you're going to chain 3, skip 3 chains and single crochet in the fourth. Chain 4, skip 2 chains, single crochet in the third. Chain 3, skip 3 chains and single crochet in the fourth. Chain 4, skip 2 chains, single crochet in the third. Chain 3, skip 3 chains. Sorry, it's hard for me to see. There you go. And then single crochet in the fourth. Chain 3, single crochet in the third chain. So 1, 2, skip 2 in the third. And this is where it gets weird for me, because I'm supposed to end, you're supposed to end in the 4, and that's chain 4. So it's chain 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. No, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Oh, okay. It's a 3, right? Sorry, I get confused. So chain 4. And then in the second right there. So I was correct. Okay. So then you should have it did work. You should have 3 chains left. So the multiples of 7 plus 2 is correct. Okay, because I did 7 plus 1, and I think I missed a chain because like I said, it didn't quite work out, but that's fine. So then you're going to chain, you're going to single crochet, you're going to chain. No, actually I have an extra. I have an extra chain. This one right here. Because you're going to chain 1, skip 1 chain, and then single crochet in this one. So the multiples is 7 plus 1. Okay, so I have this chain extra. So 7 plus 1 should work. Or you can do 7 plus 2, add 3 or 4 more just to be on the safe side. Again, it's no big deal. You can always undo it and fix it. Okay, so row number 2, sorry, I can't see the pattern from over here. You're going to chain 1. Then you're going to single crochet in that same space. And you're going to jump to this chain 4 space, and you're going to do 9 double crochets. So that's 4. Goodness. 5. I need to use another yarn. 6, 7, 8. The yarn is making the noise with the 9. Then you're going to, in this chain 3 space, you're just going to do a single crochet. Then you're going to do 9 double crochets in the chain 4 space, single crochet in the chain 3 space, 9 double crochet, chain 4, single crochet in the chain 3, and then double crochet, 9 double crochets in this last chain 4. Okay, so I'm at the last set of 9 double crochets. So here you're going to try to look for your single crochet, which I cannot see. So I'm just going to wing it here and just do a single crochet here. As long as it's straight, it should be good. So that's row number 2. So row number 3, you're going to chain up 6. You're going to jump, or you're going to skip actually, 1, 2 double crochets, and in this third one, you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 3. Then you're going to skip, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 double crochets, and then this one right here, you're going to do a single crochet. Okay. Then you're going to chain 4. And again, you're going to skip this single crochet, 1, 2, and then this third one right here, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet in the fourth right here, chain 4, jump all the way to this third double crochet, single crochet there, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth, single crochet right there in the fourth, or you can count backwards, 1, 2, it's the third double crochet from here and from here. That makes sense. And again, jump to this third double crochet right here, chain 3, and I usually go backwards, so this would be right here, the third double crochet, and that's it. So then so to end here, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a treble on top of this single crochet right here. So you're going to do a treble, come over here, oops, do a treble. So this chain 6 is a treble plus 2 chains. So just make sure, because if you don't, it's gonna go like, it's gonna kind of get squished like this. So it's a treble at the end. So that's row number 3. So row number 4, you're gonna chain up 3. And in this same space, you're going to double crochet 4. Or a total of, because this counts as a double crochet, a total of 5. Then you're going to, let me see, single crochet in this chain 3 space. And then you're going to start your 9 double crochets again in the chain 4 space. So do your 9 double crochets. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 9 double crochets here, the chain 4, single crochet in the chain 3, 9 double crochets in the chain 4, and a single crochet in the chain 3. Okay, so in this last space, you're going to do 4 double crochets. Goodness, I have to stop using this yarn tutorials. It's horrible sound. And then you're going to do a double crochet on the top of the chain 3, which I do a little bit lower. That way it looks straight. See? So that's row number 4. So then row number 5 is pretty simple. You're going to chain 1 and then a single crochet in the same space. You're going to chain 1, you're going to skip 1 double crochet, you're going to single crochet in the next. Then you're going to do your 4 chains. And then again, on your 3rd double crochet, do a single crochet, chain 3. So this is basically like row number 3, just starts different. So the beginning is different, but it's the same. So you're in your 3rd double crochet over here, chain 4, 3rd double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, and the 4th, do your single crochet, chain 4, and you continue on like that. So here, at the end, you're going to do a single, you're going to skip 1, 2, you're going to single crochet in this 3rd one. You're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a single crochet on top of this chain 3. Like that. So that's row number 5. So row number 6 is going to be like row number 2. So you just chain 1. Then you single crochet in that chain, in that same space. Then you start to do your 9 double crochets in all the chain 3 spaces. Chain 4 spaces, single crochet, 9 double crochet, single crochet, 9, single crochet, and 9. So here at the end, let me see. Sometimes I just need a reminder which, okay. So then here at the end, you're going to single crochet on top of the single crochet from below. And there it is. So that is row number 6. So the repeat row is number 3 to 6. Okay, so I'll start you off on number 3 again, and then you can continue the pattern. And if you want, I would suggest ending on row number 6. Because it's nice and clean, especially here on the sides. See? So row number 3, you're going to chain up the 6. And you're going to jump into your 3rd double crochet, and then do it again, chain 3. So just, it's easy. Chain 3 on top of this, chain 4 in between. So that's pretty easy. So it's a pretty easy pattern, but again, it does require a lot of yarn because of the double crochets. So just keep that in mind when you're buying yarn. You can always go back and buy yarn and a lot of people do that. They rather go buy it than have an extra, lying around. Just be careful as to what yarn you're using, because some yarn, they discontinue them all of a sudden, and then you're left with nothing. I know, because I've been down that road. So just, keep in mind. Usually, you won't know it's discontinued until it's sold out and you can't find it anywhere. So So anyway, here at the end, so you're going to chain your 2 and then you're going to do your treble to finish. And then start your row number 4. So that's it. Pretty simple. I like it. You're going to be a nice blanket or a nice wrap. Maybe a baby blanket or something like that. I mean, if you don't want to use that much yarn, then I would suggest just doing a little small baby blanket. But that's up to you, just a suggestion. So anyway, please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.